Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add labels in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding labels in Microsoft Planner is a simple process that offers several benefits, especially for organizing tasks visually and streamlining workflows. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Plans. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. For example, you wanted to add a label in this specific plan. I want you to click on the three dots where it says More Options and click on Open. You would be forwarded here. All right. Now, first off is we're going to add a new task. For example, this. All right. Click on the Add a Task. Once you've done that, click the three dots option and click the copy or the open. You see, there's going to be an option here that says label. You can choose any colors. All right. For pink, for maybe low priority, red, yellow, green, add, and blue, bronze, and a lot more. But this is basically on board view. If you click the grid view, you would be able to see the label in this section. All right. And of course, all I have to do now is click on add a label. And again, you can choose from any of the colors. All right. Because by assigning labels for stages in workflow, like in progress, under review, or complete, you can visually monitor which phase each task is in. For example, red means it's very urgent, right? And green means go, or probably like cranberry or dark gray represents like in progress. You see, there's gonna be a pencil icon here wherein you can edit the label itself, right? Let's click on the label right here and press enter. All right, so you have now a label that is sorted and it represents custom status outside on Planner's default options, giving more a direct update. For example, instead of the yellow, let's say waiting for approval, right? Then press enter, and the other, say for red, it's gonna be like hold for a while and press enter. All right. Basically, that's how you add labels here in Microsoft Planner. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.